sinabi ko rin sa ibang video ko that there was a period of time that I was alone. And I was the happiest because I got to learn who I truly am. I knew what my weaknesses are, my strengths are, and when I reflected on those, I got the opportunity to focus on my weaknesses and turn them into strengths, and that in turns is the reflection of who you're seeing right now. I focus on developing my mental capacity, my abilities, my skills, and ito na nga yung result. Tapos guys, doon ko na-realize na I really didn't need anybody to fill the void. Kasi nung nasa times ako na ang dami kong iniisip, wala talaga akong malapitan. Obviously, there are certain things that you don't disclose to your family na talagang sa sarili mo lang. You know, I had my faith. That was one thing that really pushed me through. Pero dun ko talaga nakita na, you know, no one was coming to save me. So I became my own hero, right? I had to develop who I am today because no one's gonna do that for me.